guys, welcome back to another video with Jessie, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make tortas, the classic original tortas. I always ordered this when I was young. My mom used to always make it for us when we were hungry, and they're my favorite. And excuse my Mexican Jenga going on here. You can see my board. Actually, this is my food weekly board that I write down everything I'm gonna cook for the whole week, and I plan it out for 2 weeks in advance. And then I was supposed to make sopes, but I'm gonna make them later on tonight. This is just a snack for my kids right now for an appetizer, and then the real food is gonna be later on. So if you want to see how I make this delicious tortas, keep on watching, and I'll see you on the little bit. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a bomb ass torta de jamón, and you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna grab these bolillos, and you could buy these at your local grocery store. They have them $4 for $1, $3 for $1, whatever sale they have them on, but usually $4 for $1. And I am gonna grab my butter, and I am gonna grab a turkey breast, but it will taste better if you use pork ham. 110 times better, but I cannot use any kind of pork. So I'm gonna use cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna use my favorite mayonnaise, Hellmann's real mayonnaise. I don't know if I said it right, but yeah. I'm gonna use refried beans from the other day, and if you're Mexican, you do this, you put it in the Daisy whipped cream or in that butter that it's low. I'm gonna reuse it and add my leftovers in there, but I'm gonna use 4 toppings: lettuce, tomato, and avocado. And I'm gonna slice my bread in half. And guys, the reason I cannot eat pork is because my husband is from a different culture. I am Mexican, I can eat pork, but he can't because of his religious views. But it's okay, I've been married for 7 years with him, and I don't eat pork at all no more. My kids eat it when they go out to eat, or when we go out to eat. I sometimes do eat it, but not all the time. But I'm gonna grab the little butter I have left, and I'm gonna spread this butter all over my bread. And you know, I'm gonna reuse that thing, so I'm trying to make the most of it, and you use it all because that's how we do it. We reuse those things. And when you look at your groceries, like, hey, what do I need? I have butter, and someone opens it and it's like, oh, there's beans in there, just like my Daisy. My husband did that the other day. He goes, oh, we have sour cream, and he opened it because he was putting it on something, and he's like, really, you have beans in there? I was like, it's a Mexican thing or Hispanic thing. That's just what we do. So I'm gonna add butter on top too, and I'm just gonna fry these in a tortilla pan or whatever, and to make it crispy. And I'm gonna just slice my lettuce, tomato, and avocado just to make it easier for me to just add the toppings, because I want to eat this torta warm or hot while it's hot. So I'm just making my life easier, chopping it off while that's getting crispy, just like that. And this is how you want it. And you don't have to use butter, you can also use oil, but I wanted to use butter because it gives it a bomb ass taste. So I'm gonna grab these, and I'm gonna make sure that they're equal because I got confused, like which one goes where. And I'm gonna let that one sit there for a while, and this is how you want it to look. Okay, move on to the next step. I'm gonna refry my beans. So I'm gonna add oil and my beans into this pan, and you want to fry it. And the reason I add oil, because it tastes so much better, like 100 times better. Like everything in oil makes your food taste much better. You know what even tastes better is if you add pork oil. It's lard, I think that's what you call it. And what I'm doing is putting the turkey breast and put it in that same pan where I did the bread, and I'm not adding anything on it. I'm just gonna put my ham and just make that ham get a little bit brown, and it releases its juices and it tastes so good. Then I'm gonna grab this frijoles. I don't know what this thing is called in English, but el machucador de frijoles, that's what we call it in Spanish, and squish all my beans. And you want to squish it, stir it, and then put it aside. But I'm gonna turn those hams in a minute. Not hams, the turkey breast, we call it jamón because basically everything that's like that is for sandwich is called ham. So I'm gonna flip this around. You see how it's turning a little bit brownish, goldish? That's what I am trying to achieve. And oh my god, I'm telling you, this tastes so much better, and it changes the game of your sandwich. O que pinche sandwich, your fucking torta. And what fucking Subway? Que fucking Subway ni que nada. This is fucking bomb. This is so delicious. So good, guys. Must try it. It will change your game, and it will change the sandwich game and your Subway game if you do this. So definitely highly recommend. So I used the whole package, and I'm gonna set these aside for them not to get burnt. So I put them in a little corner and just keep flipping them. And then I'm gonna grab the mayonnaise, and I'm gonna spread it all over the bolillo, all over your bread. You want to spread it all in all your bread. And then after you're done spreading it, you want to add your beans on top of it. And oh my god, it's so good, guys. You do this, you're gonna forget a Subway. I'm making this torta because it tastes so much better, and especially when you make it from home. And you don't necessarily have to make pinto beans. These are pinto beans. You can use black beans, kidney beans, whatever beans that you prefer. And all I'm doing is adding this ham, turkey breast or ham, whatever you want to call it. You want to add it on top of your beans. So you don't have to use turkey breast. You could do a chicken torta, a beef torta, fajita torta. The options is limitless. Like, you could do a lot. And I'm gonna use this cheddar cheese, and what I'm gonna do is just fold it in half to make two little rectangles and place it on the torta. And I'm gonna close that one off because my kids like it plain. But even if you eat it just like this plain, oh my god, it tastes so good. It's delicious. So I'm just gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna serve it to them because that's the way they like it. And then we will prepare mine with the toppings. So that's theirs, and they're gonna get to enjoy first before me. And I'm gonna get mine and add the rest of the turkey breast. But like I said, you could use anything on it. And I'm gonna do the same thing, cut the cheese in half and add the toppings, which is lettuce, tomato, and the avocado. But you can add more toppings. Like, you could use, if you don't want to use cheddar cheese, you could use queso de cotija. You could use mixed cheese, whatever cheese that you like. And avocado, you could use it as a spread if you don't like mayonnaise. You use avocado, make an avocado spread instead. And or you could use sour cream. I know I've seen some tortas that they do add sour cream. This is my favorite. It's Salvadorian sour cream con sal. Oh my god, it's bomb. I got that from Fiesta, but this is how it looks, guys. This is how I'm gonna make it. That's all the toppings I'm gonna add. I wish I had made a green salsa to add on top of it, because oh my god, it would taste so much better with a salsa on the side. Of Mexican salsa, oh delicious. Just cut that in half, and I promise you guys, this is it's a must try. When you're craving something Mexican, this is it. This is like, you're gonna forget, like, fuck a Subway. And this is your Mexican authentic torta, and you could change the ingredients, add more ingredients to it, and like I said, use chicken, beef, or pork, whatever you want, but make your own torta the way you like it. So that's how I make my torta de jamon, guys. Hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you like the video, and I hope you like this dish because it's delicious. Like, what Subway is way better than Subway. It's good, it's delicious. I will highly recommend you trying this, and this is like for the people that crave the authentic Mexican. This is the closest you can get. All right guys, see you on the next video. Bye. How's the torta, Nana?
Very good. This is good. My mom makes the best tortas ever.
It's bomb. Delicious. Highly recommend, guys. Delicious. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.